However, we tried our best to present an atmosphere that would provide every participant a feeling of belongingness and satisfaction. Though it seems inferior to your expectations. So, with open and sincere hearts, in behalf of the Pamplona administrators, teachers, and personnel, I welcome you to our humble destiny. Please feel free to let us know your problems. If there are any, we will try to do the best of what we can to make your British standards worth compensating to your perseverance and unwavering unity towards the attainment of the objectives of this summit. Again, welcome, welcome, welcome to the first PBA Cluster Educational Summit. Thank you and good day to one and all.